Assalamualaikum. Ramadan Mubarak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Shaina Qadeer with you. I am an Indian national living in Saudi Arabia. I have been brought up in Jeddah and now I'm residing in Riyadh. I have been celebrating Ramadan and Eid in Saudi since my childhood. There's a very pleasant ambience of festivity that every nook and corner of the country encounters in Ramadan. There is an atmosphere of celebration, goodwill, and sharing. The country comes alive. So yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm blessed to celebrate all my Ramadan here. So I have a 4-year-old daughter and I decorate a corner in my house every year for her so that I can instill in her the importance of this month. As you all know, fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. So by doing this, I try to create a little excitement in her to know about the religion we follow and how we can improve our relationship with Allah during this beautiful month and to continue being pious Muslim, and then how Eid is a reward for us after Ramadan, after being grateful to Allah for everything we have, after fasting, praying Taraweeh, reading Quran, having self-control, abstaining from bad habits, and encouraging actions of generosity. In return, we get Eid as a gift from Allah. So all these things I try to explain my daughter, and for her I decorate this Ramadan corner, and we also decorate an Eid corner if we are celebrating at home, or else mostly we go to Medina to celebrate Eid. So yeah, alhamdulillah, I'll be showing you all my decoration and my last year's Eid decoration also.
You lift me up high, you spread my wings and fly me to the sky. I feel so alive, it's like my soul thrives in your light. But how I wish you'd be here with me all year around. Ramadan, 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 ya Habib. Ramadan, Ramadan, ليتك دوما قريب. رمضان، رمضان، رمضان يا حبيب. رمضان، رمضان، ليتك دوما قريب.